Glam Squad. So sorry. So sorry. Because this video was like over an hour long. And it still like kinda is. So I hope you have time to sit back, relax, and watch me slay this frontal on myself, you guys. It takes time. So I'm going step by step, slowly but surely, just to show you how you perfect and tweak your frontal and make it look as natural and realistic as possible. So if you're interested and if you have the time, stay tuned because I'm coming right to you, and I do mean right now. GLAMBOY. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, whatever you guys. Hey, how you doing? Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Do hit that notification bell right afterwards so you can be notified when yours truly Glamboy of our upload, and you can be in the loop and never behind. To all of my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I have a bunch of subscribers from TikTok and a lot of beauty supply stores and a lot of places around town here in the GA. So you guys, I just want to say hey and thank you guys so much. I'm coming to you guys today with a Unice hair getting ready video and a hair review. So if you want to know a lot more about this hair, stay tuned. Alright you guys, I received this hair in the mail, I would say a month ago. I ended up getting a 18-inch frontal with 3 bundles of 24-inch 613 Malaysian blonde hair, you guys. I will be showing you their website, which I should have enough room right here. You guys, it is so easy to go on their website. You go on their website, like you see here. You look them up really swiftly, straight to the point. You key in what size closure or frontal you want first. And then you check off what size hair you want, what length hair you want, excuse me. And then coming from there, you can list what type of hair you want at the bottom. You know, Brazilian, Peruvian, Mongolian, all of those different types. You then look at your subtotal, and that is it, you guys. I end up doing this hair for my birthday look. For my 32nd birthday look, I had a photo shoot in Montana, you guys. And I wore this hair curly. Y'all ain't even gonna flex. Curly, she bounces. She bounces. However, I'll insert a video of that too. I wanted to come to you guys with it straight so you guys can see. Mind you, I curled this hair. I did not wash it. And I straightened it right back out. Like, for real. And what I'm saying is, after this photo shoot, I put hairspray in it, sheen, like curl wax, and everything. Like, and look at her. I curled her and I kept her in like flexi rods for like a good week. No, 4 days. 4 days, like 4, maybe 5 days. And I kept the rollers in when I got on my flight. However, I had the wig packed in my suitcase and it worked out perfectly, you guys. Here's your video. Oh, snap. The colors I used was Electric Yellow and Kiss. I also used a Purple Rain. And I used a Platinum. A Platinum Gray. So it's platinum at the ends. It is a nice Purple Rain streak going through. And it is electric yellow on the top. So Purple Rain, electric yellow, and platinum on the ends, you guys. Gray, that is. Platinum gray. Thank you guys for tuning in. Here's your video. Bye. Hey, y'all. I was finna say something, Jocelyn Hernandez would normally say, but I ain't gonna go there. I'm not gonna go there. Alright, you guys, so I done already got my ball cap down. Alright, y'all, let me get a little bit more enthusiastic. Let me get a little bit more enthusiastic. Alright, you guys, so I'm already coming back to you guys with my ball cap. And I always have felt like, let's throw home. You know, I always have felt like a seamless ball cap that got you looking boiled is the best way to have a flawless install. That's the best way. Like, let me see. Let me just pull that over a little bit more. But yes, that's the best way to having a flawless install.
And why is this important? Because through your lace, you want it to look as real as possible. That's why. So if you gotta look bald like a Martian, bald head, do that. Make sure she's right. Make sure she's, you can't see any of the excess that is left on the lace. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you glue it down seamlessly if you got a gots to be it, which I don't feel like you can get that kind of hold just gots to be spraying it. Absolutely not. It's other things and secrets. Stay tuned on this channel and I'm gonna teach you way more. But it gotta start there. Like you see by my ear, that's not down, but I really don't put glue all the way back there, like that's my stopping point. So, but I'm still going to show you how you can fix that as well once you glue it. It's all upon you. Don't get frustrated. Don't overspeed yourself through. Don't get frustrated because of how sticky your adhesive is. Take your time. And I hope I am sounding as serious as I can with you guys. We're only 7 minutes into the video. This video is an hour. So I took my time. And I'm telling you the same thing. Why do you want to take your time? Because if you were sitting down in someone's chair, this is what they would do.
So I took my time in doing that. Now I'm going to skin her back. Hair.
Make sure all of the hairs that you are going to be doing your baby hairs with are all put away. Do not have any flyaway hairs.
So yes, so this is what I mean by my ball cap. Like my stocking cap. Let me go on show you. Okay, well it's these, but it's the stocking cap. And I went ahead and tinted it with my foundation color. I already got it on. Got it looking real big-ish. Got it looking real big, forehead-ish and alien-like.
Now, all of these products that I'm using, like I will be listing in the description bar below. I always have
also felt like a good install.
So do not worry.
Is really
I will make sure of that. Okay, like I'm like double talking. Like I didn't want to mute. I didn't want to mute that part. Like I want to Make sure I keep.
Based in making sure that the glue is above your hairline. Like, the shit should be on your forehead, literally. And it make it even better if you got a big forehead, like myself. And you can really have a lot of space. Now, you already know how I'm getting down. I gotta bust some more videos down. So, I am only going to do one layer. Look at her running right there. You know. Yes, so I'm only gonna do one layer. Bust her down. So what's been going on, y'all? What's been going on, y'all? Honestly, and truth be told, like, this is like one of the first time in months that I have been back on camera. Believe it or not. Like, I'm still gonna be releasing content. You know I got to. However, your girl been MIA. Your girl been MIA. Like, gone. So, this is honestly what brought me back. Like, I was like, you know what? First off, I got to talk about my cousin Angel. I got to talk about my little cousin Angel in Louisiana. And I definitely wanted to just talk and come and see you guys and, you know, just update y'all on how I've been, what's been going on. And just go ahead and get this Unice 613 Malaysian, you know, hair out. I want to make sure this, you know, just get this hair out and, you know, and do what needs to be done. So I was like, yeah. All right, so we gonna start from this side, y'all. And then, see, the best thing I love about, like, once you do this, let's be real. If you really like that of a neatophobe about everything, just bring the shit down. Like, if you feel that serious, like, oh, everything should be covered. All right, well, get your comb, get your rat tail hair comb, and bring it down. It's nothing. You feel me? It's nothing. Fix it. Golly, y'all, cut me some slack. Damn. So, back to where I was. Now, we're going to just start pulling her down right above. Make sure Miss Ear is out. And then I'll start right there. Make sure that lace is touching her. Make sure that lace is touching her. Push her down. Push her down. Push her down. Put her above it. Push her down. She's pushed down in there. And then, like, for me, I like to go ahead, take her from the front, pull her down, and just go ahead and pull her on around like a pie. Pull her on down and around like a pie. Make sure she is tightly. Hold on, because something ain't right. Wait a minute. Okay. That's why I do her like that, because when you do her like that, you can already know. I'm like, wait a minute now. I'm pulling her, and she's not tight like she's supposed to be. So, let's run her down. So, we're going to keep on going, keep pulling her and laying her, keep pulling her and laying her, and bam. Mash her in. Then the only thing we gotta do is go back in and fill in and fix. Like that's how I would twerk her. And then, okay, I got all these clips and stuff. Now, keep pressing her. Make sure she's melted. Make sure she's flat. And that's how you gonna know she's in there. Now, like, see, like now, like if I really wanted to run out the door, I could. But still, she's not ready. You know, she's secure as you see, but she's not ready. She's not ready. So, as you see her? Like, no. Like, we not fizzing to... And I'm going to tell you the truth. Like, honestly, I would cut that. I would cut it. But I'm going to leave it for y'all so I can show y'all how I would go back and fix everything. Now, there's something I always have loved. I love a clean canvas. I love pulling everything back, making sure you can see everything, making sure. And you always make sure in doing so, you always see what you working with. You know, make sure you can see what you working with. Make sure it's a clean canvas and take your time. Take your time. This is, I'm just doing this for y'all, but this is already 11 minutes. Well, excuse me, 12. You know what I'm saying? It's already 12 minutes. And it's okay because I'm going to speed it up for you guys. But I'm just letting you know it takes time. This is almost a 15-minute process. Like, you know, literally a couple of, minutes from now. But no matter what, do not rush it. Do not rush it. Now, when it comes down to, I have my little cousin that is in Louisiana, her and her sister. And, I just want you to know, Angel, thank you, cousin. Thank you for following my channel just like all of my family do. But I be encouraging and trying to show my family that, yes, I came from Bastrop, born and raised somewhat. I went to middle school there. And, well, I went to elementary and I went to middle school in Bastrop. So, from me going to elementary and middle school in Bastrop, and if you must know, I went to Eastside, I went to Carver, I went to H.V. Adams, and I went to Morehouse Junior High. And that's how the people who know me all up through Bastrop, that's how they know me from school. You feel me? So now I'm going back down as you see, and I'm laying. I'm pushing that lace right on down. So that's why, like, all that right there is lace. You see all that right there is lace. However, from back here, it still look like lace. But let me tweak her. Let me tweak her and get her together because I would have cut her. Like, yeah. You got me bent. Like, on colored hair, that lace got to be gone. That lace got to be gone. On colored hair, I feel. You know, like, you don't keep as much lace as you would keep when you, like, wearing your black hair, your brown hairs, your ombres. No. But anywho, Thank you, my cousin Angel, for following. And I try to show on my channel that, yes, we from Bastrop. However, it's still a big world out here. It is a very, very big world out here. And don't you ever forget that. Outside of it being a big world out here, you can go anywhere. You can do anything. You can be anyone you want to be. Be anything in the world you choose to be. So always, always make sure you finish school. That's the number one thing. And always make sure you respect your mother. I'm going to put a little glue right there. And always make sure you respect your mother. You know, don't you be running around here disrespecting your mom. Always make sure you are the best sister you can be for your sisters and brothers. Do what you need to do. So y'all can be the baddest models y'all mama got. You feel me? Because messing around with me, I'm going to throw y'all in some modeling. Period. Ready to model? You ready to model? Okay, you better be ready. Because when cousin come through, I'm going to do it like this. When cousin come through.
And again, this is where I should be talking, but I gotta concentrate. So being that the lace is so teeny and it's just a small bit of space, this is the place that I make sure that I use with the rat tail hair comb just to get at the tip, not to get very messy, so you can see horrible residue.
Understood
you know,
why,
make sure.
like when they glue this portion down, like why they hurry up and lay it. I guess because it's such a thin coat and thin portion. Like they just make sure it's quickly. Ooh, y'all done let me just about forget about this part. And see, that's one thing I love about the lace glue I use. Even if you mess up and do stuff like that, baby, she's not gonna drown you. Baby, she's not gonna mess up on you. No. She gonna give you time. She gonna give you time. You see what I'm saying? Like, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Like, once I get her together right here and I comb through her, she is finna give you what? She's finna give you coming out the scalp tease. And I really want to cut that. I am finna cut that. Bump that. Cause she go behind the ear. So cute. Look how she go behind the ear. Look how she go behind the ear, Angel. Look how she go behind the ear. Yes, but I am finna cut that. Because there is, again, excess lace that I do not want or need. He got doggone nail. Yes. Oh, I like it. I like it already. I haven't put no heat, no nothing to her yet. You know, she was straight in once, but you get what I'm saying. So now let's go ahead and tidy up this side.
And yes, this is what I was saying. It takes time.
So yes, respect your mother. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. I don't want to cut all the lace off, but so I'm gonna put one right here. And I'm gonna put another one right there. Like, see, I honestly would cut this off. Like, this right here ain't serving nobody no purpose. I don't mean no harm. No, ma'am. Well, okay. This what I'm finna do. I'm finna. Oh, I'm like, what should I? Okay. No. What do I want to do? Keep it. Okay. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Just keep it. Whatever. I'm just gonna peel it back.
And you hear me contemplating because, like, you have to make sure you don't mess things up and knock your proportions off on your frontal and
And
everything, especially
reapply.
once it's tweezed and plucked. So I can tweak this with the lace band on it and make sure you don't see any lace and grid, honey. My name Glam Boy LeVar. Who you think this is, baby? All right. I'm doing a voiceover and talking, so I am just
You
living
gotta
right
make
now,
sure you
hunty.
get close. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit, and I'm gonna let that sit because I do feel like that is a wee bit thick.
And with it being thick, I don't want to press the lace
Me
down into
personally,
it and you just see glue all through it. And I just mess up my whole canvas. Like, you got to take it slow. So, it's
yeah,
layers
I
to
feel like
this
it's
shit,
like
man.
thick, and if I push it down, it's going to bleed through my lace, and I just don't have time for that right now, especially with it being so close to the top. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't got time for that. Nobody got time for that. Just like that. Just like that. Like, ugh. Ugh. Here we go with the BS. I'm just gonna push it down like that. I don't got time for it.
So I already got some glue that has gone through my lace. So I'm not going to touch it with my hand because that's too much pressure. Well, I am now.
Look at
But
it,
I did it
honey.
with the comb just to make sure everything is on point. And y'all see how much lace is on here. It's lace showing everywhere.
Okay, now
Like,
that side did surprisingly okay.
I just can't believe it. But, and always make funny faces. Get in there. Be silly. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't be too hard on yourself. Get,
Hey, shit, that's getting cut. Fuck what you heard. You don't act right the first time, you're getting cut. You don't act right the first time, you're getting cut. You're getting cut, god dog it. So, this is how far we are right now.
Now I'm finna get country. This is when you supposed to have all them baby hairs pressed back. They supposed to be pressed back. You see how that glue look like hot glue? That's what I'm talking about. That's what we're trying to prevent. However, no matter what, you can fix it. However, like I said, that lace wanted to trip. You want to act up? You finna get cut. Yes, ma'am. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would have cut all of, like, if I was stepping out on my own, I promise you, I would have cut all that lace and showed you how to slay it, baby. However, I got to show you guys as much as I can. Rub the glue off.
Wait a minute now.
Do what you can.
Like, did I glue this down? Okay, just glue it over. If you did, you did. If you didn't, you didn't.
See what I'm saying? This process could have been
Okay.
over if I would have cut that lace straight
So
up.
now
Ugh. But
we should
I'm
be
gonna keep it going.
all
I'm
glued
gonna keep it going. Now,
down.
I mean, the longer you keep the lace, the better, you know. But, mainly when you get a frontal and you're going to tweeze it, or pluck it rather, you want to make sure you at least take out half or 2 rows. You know what I'm saying? And that's quite enough hair, to make sure it's, looking good enough and natural enough. However, I've been doing this for so long. I know how to do the tricks and the trades. And, when it's messed up now and you got to start over. And that's the worst thing possible. So I'm always shortening my videos down because like they already long enough, and I can't have a hair channel where I'm just showing you guys stuff and I'm not talking to you guys and I'm not teaching you. And that is what makes the videos so just fast and make believe and unreal. And I just feel so unloyal, like I really do. And I'm trying to speed it up for you guys, but it is a hassle trying to find the way to teach you guys the right way and the honest way, but not make it so long, and drawn out. But this video right here, I just did not care. I was like, you know what? It's somebody at home that does the same thing that I do. And that's just sit back, actually watch people content, support them,
Okay.
give them the support
So
they
then
need,
we gonna
let
go
them
back
get their
through,
watch time, their
retouch it.
views up. You know what
And
I'm
this
saying?
is
Like, let's get it.
the laying of the video. I'm sorry, I had to concentrate. It's hard out here. It's hard out here. So I hope you guys can see.
For the Cadillacs and gas, money spent will cause a whole lot of bitches jumping shit.
It's hard out here. Okay, I'm gonna wait for you. Alright, but so that's how you would lay everything. Y'all, I'm not big on all that makeup and stuff. I'm not big on all that. So I am, like I have my ways. But I feel like I can just baby hair it down and cover and blend some stuff. So oh, y'all, my family. Okay, I think I can talk now. So, yes, Angel, like I was saying, baby. I wonder what all my stuff are. So, yes, sister, y'all do what y'all need to do, Miss Angel. Stay on your stuff. I definitely talk to y'all mama frequently. And yeah. And yeah, you see, like, you can't even tell There is a baby hair there. You can't even tell. Like, that's how it's supposed to be. Like, you're not supposed to have, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're not supposed to have, like, all of these swirlies and stuff. Like, it's supposed to still look natural. And I know that's hard for a lot of people to do, but it's gonna take some time. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's gonna take some time. Because now more stylists and people, I'm gonna say people, they into trying to hide the lace, the seaming of the lace, then then showing, you know, the actual look and style. So that's why you will see some people don't mind all that. You know what I'm saying? Some people don't mind all of that. But baby, I do. Less is always more. And I try to teach my girls that. All my girls know that. It's okay to have some. You know, it's okay to have some. It's okay to, you know what I'm saying? It's okay to let it show, let it shine. You know what I'm saying? Show that you got your hair and stuff done. But it is not okay to have an ocean wave swoop de doo-dah all up here. And if you don't know, that's fine. You know, disregard yourself. Because practice make perfect. You know what I'm saying? Practice makes perfect. But it's still a certain level you need to keep it at. You know what I'm saying? It's still a certain level you need to keep it at. Like, even this is still kind of giving me too much. Like, it's kind of giving me still too much, but I guess I can deal with it in a sense. See, this is what I do when I'm like, okay, I'm not finna wipe no glue off, but 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 I will push it back. I'm not finna do all of this edge stuff right here. I don't like that. Whatever. And see, in my mind, like, that's why right there, I hold off on all that makeup and stuff. Hold off on it, get everything right. Make sure everything is up in here, good to go. Make sure you don't got glue and stuff everywhere. Push it back like that. If you feel like you got glue and stuff everywhere, push that stuff back underneath that lace. Like, period. Period. Okay. We got it like that. I have the double XL ones, which of course it didn't got wet, but
All right, you guys. So this, oh my goodness, like I cannot figure out what exactly the name of the paper is, but it's just simple barber paper that they use for, you know, they use this paper for so many things. I'll list it so you guys can have it. But meantime, like the reason why I was saying I push it back underneath the lace, the glue, if there's any excess in specific areas only, because when I'm doing this portion, and I always got to be spray it, or I use some kind of holding spray, you know, for the front before I tie it
I'm
down
just
as
gonna
well.
secure it with wrap it around
So
like 2-3 times. Act like I'm tying it, and then I'll just put that in it like I'm twisting dreads or something. Like literally. So now that all of that is out the way, it's time for a blow dry. Alright, you guys, like the hair is cute, but I really don't like, I like a certain flow. So,
you know, everything is like cute. It's cute. However, like it has like a really heavy weighed down feel to it. I do not have my paddle brush anywhere around, so I'm just gonna like improvise just so I can, you know, put some to it, straighten it. I've already put some um, argan oil in it. I think that's what it is. I put a little different like healthy serums on it, like lightly, like 2 drops in my hand and just put it on there. So that's why it's heavy. And normally I would have blow dried the hair before and got like a pre-press, you know, a medium blowout, but I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to do everything on camera, which is why it's taking so long. You can opt to do this, however, like this is my 613 Unice color hair. Like, no ma'am, I'm gonna do it right and really see, you know, what I can. Oh yeah, and I used a lot of products too, so that's another reason why it's a little bit
okay.
weighed down. But
Oh,
she
now
shook
this
back.
much
Like
better.
I shook her back. It's
That's
nothing. It's
much
nothing.
better. Much better.
And I really wanted to concentrate some heat to the ends. You know, let's try to concentrate a little bit of heat to the ends, because the ends are, the ends is what absorbs as much oil as possible. Oil, smoke, all of that stuff.
Okay.
Rain on me. Rain on me. Like it's gonna come down on it. So it's really best that you really concentrate and place the heat at the bottom of the hair and continue with the rest of the hair. The rest of the hair can be shielded and flat ironed by the sun, the light, you know, different places that hold, you know, light. You know what I'm saying? But the ends is what hits the real bad part and the downside of being on a human's head.
Gotta heat them ends up. Make sure them ends do right. Alright, that's like a secret I always do, especially in the summertime. Because if you already get it trained like this, if you already have it ready like this, by the time the summertime comes, when you step outside, you will be on point. You will be on point. So, and then it helps it like way better than a flat iron. It helps it way better than putting a flat iron all on your ends. That way, by the time you do put a flat iron on it, you're only putting a flat iron on it once, maybe, you know, twice, you know, and you go from there. So yeah, that's mostly it. I just showed you everything. Now I'm just continuing the video. And outside of me continuing this video, talking to my cousin, Sweet Angel. I love it when my family adores me. I have so much family that really adore me and respect my movement, respect what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Respect how I'm living, why I'm choosing to live the way I choose to live. And when all y'all who fucks with me like that way, I love y'all to pieces. Baby, when you don't got that lip on, baby, you look so bare. This girl, she looks so bare. And then I just rolled up my blow dryer because normally I would have put the blow dryer on it, but it's okay. Because I can still get her together like that.
But yes, you guys, like, that's another reason why I'm like, oh, like, why is it kind of looking like that? Because when I curled it, I did, like, I was in Montana and I was shooting it out. So, as you seen in the video, when I was walking at Grouse Mountain Lodge, like, oh, it was so beautiful up there. Anyway, I sprayed it. With that got to be sprayed and some more stuff. I used some curl wax. And like, man, it's still, man, I'm telling you, this is some good A hair. Like, good AF. Like, man. Because, like, once I flat iron this and I really get it together, like, she gonna bounce back. However, I did not do that hot comb. I
And
ain't feel
it's
like
not
doing my
hot, it's
Marcel, but
warm, but it's honestly not hot or dang on enough. Because I need it hot. I do not feel like getting my Marcel out. I'm just being lazy today, but whatever. I don't feel like getting my Marcel out. I don't feel like pulling my, because that's what my hot comb is. My hot comb and my Marcel iron. So I don't feel like doing all of that. Okay, so yes, long story short, Angel, get your stuff together so you can come visit me here in Georgia. Make sure you always respect your mother. That way your days won't be shortened in the Bible. Finish school. That way you can do whatever you want to do. Travel. Leave Bastrop, come back. Whatever you want to do, is the sky's the limit. And that's the same thing that go for your sister too. You too. You be right behind her, doing good, doing what y'all need to do. And that's how we gonna do it. And that's how we gonna do it. And when I come in town, bring y'all tail over so y'all can see me and we can laugh it up. You know what I'm saying? We can laugh it up. Look at her. I love how silky. I That's one thing I can say about her, honey. You're not finna take her silk away. You can't take her silk away. Cause she is so silky, the hair. The hair is so silky. And this by far is some grade 613 hair. It is. It's some grade 613 hair. I love it. I love the curls. When I did the curls, oh, I loved it. Oh, I loved it. Oh, they were so bouncy and they were everything. They were everything. I loved it. Hair every day, my way. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and wrap this video up. Sometimes it bees like this, y'all. Sometimes it bees like this. There we go. There we go. Give me everything you got. Alright, y'all. So, I'm gonna bust her like this. This is how I'm gonna do her. Like that's what I don't be liking. I be liking for that to be smooth. But it starts there first. Cause I be feeling if you don't get this part by the ear right, you don't get that part by the ear right. If you don't get that part by the ear right, you don't get that part by the ear right. When you comb your hair, it's gonna still look a damn mess. So, because like I'm really big on that, like when it fall, she needs to fall. Bam, 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 bam. Yes, that's giving me life. That's giving me life. And I do mean without pearl. No, we need a little bit more. We need a little bit more. Okay. Need a little bit more. So we go. Ooh, that's, I guess that's alright. I don't know. I don't want it to be too much. But I guess it's enough. Shit, I don't know. It's looking like it's blending. That's the only thing with this dang on yellow hair. Ooh, Lord, with this yellow hair. Y'all do not be wanting to get no makeup on my hair, but I do be wanting it to look like that. I do be wanting it to look like that. Oh, Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I be wanting to look like that. See, that right there is what be getting me. But come on. Come on. I be wanting her to look like that. I be wanting her to look like that. When I lay her and I get done, I be wanting her to look like that. And T. Then that's lace. Y'all that concerned about it, like, look at that. Damn. See? I be wanting to look like that. Told y'all I ain't want to do that. Told y'all I ain't want to put too much on there. So, section it in two. Now I guess it's time for some lip.
Them your dirty hands.
Lip done. And I decided to do a purple to kind of accent the little purple streak in the front. Lip done. Look all the way together, you guys. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for tuning in. I love you, my sweet cousin Angel. See you soon, boo. See you soon, boo. And see, that's what I love about it. Yes, come on, we want to pull her down. Like, I like her all, like, to the back look. I don't really like hair all in my face like that. I like to, like, let my face show. But, oh. And before I forget, there we go. I don't want to make it too dark, but I will. Oh, and I just used a little bit of the Fit Me, and I used a little bit of concealer, just like barely enough, you guys, like barely. All right. That's the ending of the video, you guys. Catch you guys later on the flip side.